What do we got?
Hit the road.
Mike and Joe. 49 flaming balls. I'm Mike.
I'm Joe.
And this is Kart Life TV. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is Kart Life TV, and this is our first episode back since hitting 100 subscribers. We're super excited about that. We had an awesome celebration the other night. Joe brought the fireworks and we lit it off. If you missed that video, make sure you check it out. It's in our video section. But today we're talking about gas, and not the type of gas this guy gets from eating tacos. We're talking about the type of gas that we're gonna need to get from Boca Raton to Key West with our golf cart. So let's check it out. All right, so these mini gas cans are really cool. For one, they're black, and we'll be able to hide them pretty easy when we're installing them, so people on the road won't see that we're like a driving bomb or anything. But they are cool. They hold 1.3 gallons of gas. Two of them will give us about a third of a tank, and we'll be able to get at least 30 miles. So it'll get us out of any kind of jam we're in when we do run low on gas, or if we are running out. We are going to fuel up as much as possible on the way. Hopefully we won't have to use them, but we will have them just in case, because you never know. And they will definitely come in handy on some of the other long distance trips we're planning after the trip to Key West. So these gas cans are really cool. They are Rotopack style. They mount on onto the golf cart with a bracket system. The mount is right here. It runs through the center of the gas can like that, and it comes with a screw-on lock right here with the key. So you could get them nice and tight, lock it so they can't be taken off the mount once they're locked. What we're gonna do is we're gonna attach this mounting bracket right here to these really cool two-piece clamp brackets that we found on Amazon. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. We're gonna drill out this hole here, run a 3/8 inch bolt through it, put it through here with a lock nut and some washers, and that should do the trick. That's what we're gonna do right now. All right, Joe got the first gas can mounted on the driver's side of the golf cart. It's looking good. Nice job, buddy.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, and now we're gonna do the passenger side. What we gotta do though first is we gotta move the bracket for the whip up so we can mount the gas can bracket underneath it and have room for everything we're gonna mount back there.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, we got the gas cans mounted. They look great. Joe did an awesome job, and the last thing to do is put our fire extinguisher in the glove box, because if we're carrying fuel, we gotta be safe. Now it's time to talk about our safety and our toolkit, because we're not traveling 225 miles, or anywhere far for that matter, without the right tools and the right safety equipment with us. Okay, the first thing that we're gonna talk about is our tires. Our tires are super important. we have any kind of puncture or flat tire, we're not gonna be able to go anywhere. So we wanted to be able to fix those on a fly. We got a deluxe tire plug kit, and of course a can of Fix-A-Flat. I don't think any long distance trip would be complete without a can of Fix-A-Flat. So those were the first things that we put in our toolkit. The next thing we have is some various tie straps and zip ties, right? Can't do any kind of project without a zip tie. We also have, of course, a flashlight. You never know if we need to do something in the dark. Hopefully we're not riding at nighttime, but in case we drop something on the ground, have to work under the cart in the dark, it'll be good to have a flashlight with us. Okay, so we also have a tow strap pack. This is a simple tow strap from Home Depot. I had this laying around in the garage. We're gonna bring this just in case we have to pull the cart out of anything or we gotta tow it in case something gets messed up. We're gonna put that in our kit. So we are gonna be bringing some gloves with us in case we have to pull the tow strap or work under the golf cart, something's dirty or nasty, and we just wanna protect our hands. You never know when you might need a set of gloves. They were cheap, so we're gonna put those in the kit. A couple of rain ponchos, just in case. Florida, it rains every day here, and if you get stuck in a storm, having wet clothes would be terrible. These will be quick to throw on just to keep ourselves dry. Got some various tools here. Channel locks, of course. We have adjustable wrench, some wire cutters in case we have to work on anything on the cart electrical on the fly, and of course a pair of pliers. We've got a universal screwdriver, Phillips and regular, with a couple different bits in it. We have some Allen keys, several different sizes. We have a utility knife, and these two really cool sets. We have some pass-through sockets. They act as long sockets or short sockets, which is cool. And a small set of combination wrenches, the stubby ones. They seem to be the best thing to use in a pinch, in tight places and stuff like that. So that's our toolkit, that's our safety kit. That's what we're gonna be bringing with us on the golf cart. If we missed something or you think of anything, put it in the comments section. We'd love to,
Gotta have duct tape.
Of course, duct tape. What kit would be complete without a roll of duct tape, man? Thanks, Joe. All right, so we got our gas cans mounted. We have our safety and tool kit right here on the golf cart. The last thing we have to do before we take our first trip is put our safety flag on. Joe? All right, guys, so that wraps up our video for today. We got our gas cans mounted. We have our tool and our safety kit ready to go. I think the only thing left to do is go on a long distance trip from here to Palm Beach Island and back. It's gonna be 50 miles round trip, and it'll give us a great benchmark for where we are with this long distance golf cart. I guess that's it.
That's it. Ready to go.
If you guys like these videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you want to support the channel, stop by lowspeedliving.com and pick up some new merch. We got hats, we got shirts, we got these really cool slim can coolers for Joe's White Claw. We'll see you guys next time.
Peace.